Hey everyone, Tony Winston here. I've got a song here for you. This is a special treat because I looked all over the internet. I could not find a chart of this song. I've got hundreds of fake books. It's not in there. And it's written by Barry Harris. And, it's that famous Japanese jazz piano player. I won't mispronounce his name, but I'll print it up there for you. And I've done another song by him as well. But this one's by Barry Harris. And I wrote the chart out as best as I could. Hit like and subscribe, and then click on the link down in the description, and it's absolutely free. Just hit the link, and it'll pop right up, print it out, whatever you want to do with it. Because he plays it different every time through, and I listened to a few other versions of it too, and this is the best I could come up with, and I think it's pretty accurate. So let's take a listen to it. And one thing about this chart now, it just says C major 7th, but it always does this little walk up. So, all right, so it's just, but with the B up on top. So you got C major 7th. That would be like a D minor 13, a D sharp diminished, with a whole tone extension, and then C major 7th with the E in the bass. Now I didn't want to write all those chords in, so that's what happens there and a few other spots as well. And he always just does something kind of like goes down to the the flat 5 or something like that. So you just mess around there. Once again, Yeah, I'm not really sure about the ending. It doesn't end on a G sus. It works its way back to C major, some kind of a way. And, just listen to the various recordings. And I noticed one thing he did was he did that little thing on the G7. But it wasn't near the ending. It was in the middle of the song. So at any rate, it's a terrific song. And I'm so glad for the person who requested it because, I was completely unaware of it. And, there's lots of Barry Harris fans out there. And you can see the video of him playing it. He does it live in a little classroom, and then there's also a studio recording. I believe it's another live performance as well. So anyway, enjoy the song. I certainly am going to play it a lot in the next few days and weeks and try to get comfortable with it and maybe add it to my repertoire. All right, everyone, like and subscribe, like I said, and thank you so much. I'll see you again soon, right back here, same channel, same station, same time. Anyway.